Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have x times of y plus z is equals to 2022, and our second equation is x plus y times of z is equals to 2023. So I can name this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2, so that the very first thing we are going to do is, here first I can subtract equation number 2 by equation number 1, so that I can write these two equations in the form of x plus yz is equals to 2023, and our equation number 1 is xy plus z is equals to 2022. And now we can just subtract these two equations so that we will change its signs, and you can obtain here x minus xy plus yz minus z is equals to 2023 minus 2022 is equals to plus 1. And now we can just simplify the terms, and now we will simplify the terms, and first you can focus on these two terms, and here you see that x is the common term on first two terms, so that we will take common x here and you get 1 minus y, and here you see that z be the common term and you can take common z and you get y minus 1 and whole is equals to 1, so that here I can rearrange this term and you write x times of 1 minus y, and here we take common minus from this factor because here you have 1 minus y and it is the y minus 1, so that in order to making the same factor you will take common here. So you get minus z times of 1 minus y is equals to 1, so that you will take common 1 minus y from both of the factors, and you get 1 minus y times of x minus z is equals to 1. And now in the next step you can just focus on the right hand side, and you see that in the right hand side we have 1, so that here you need because in the left hand side you have two factors, so that you will make two factors in the right hand side, and here in the right hand side you have 1, so we need any two numbers whose product is 1. So we have two cases. The first case is, if you can multiply 1 by 1 then you get 1, and if you can multiply minus 1 by minus 1 then again you get plus 1. So here we have these two cases. So in first case I can just write the right hand side of this equation as 1 minus y times of x minus z is equals to, we can replace this 1 by 1 times of 1, and now you can compare both of the sides, or I can similarly write here first the case number 2. So the case number 2 is, we can just write the right hand side as 1 minus y times of x minus z is equals to, you can write the right hand side is this one, and here you have minus 1 times of minus 1. So now in the next step I can solve these two equations, so that these two cases. So first I can solve here the case number 1. So now first I can proceed case 1. So in case 1 you have 1 minus y, you have two factors. I can break these factors. 1 minus y is equals to 1 and x minus z is equals to 1. so that in this factor you get the value of y is 1 minus 1 is equals to y, and finally you get y is equals to 0. Because in this question we need to find the values of x, y and z, and this is the our first value of y, and here I can use this value to find the values of x and z. So that now I can put the value of y is equals to 0 in the equation number 1 or equation number 2. You can put these value of y in equation number 1 and 2. So equation number 1 is xy plus z is equal to 2022, and equation number 2 is x plus y is equals to 2023. So now we put the values of y in equation number 1 and 2. Okay, so put in 1 and 2 we get. So first I can write here equation number 1, it is xy plus z is equals to 2022, and equation number 2 is x plus yz is equals to 2023. So now when you put y is equal to 0 in this equation, then you get x times of 0 plus z is equals to 2022, and here you get the value of z is 2022. And similarly when you can put y is equal to 0 in equation number 2, because this is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. So when you can put this value in equation number 2, so the equation number 2 will be this one. When you can put here y is equal to 0 here, then you get the value of x is 2023. So this is the values of x, y and z from case number 1, and now we proceed the case number 2. So our case number 2 is here. We have 1 minus y times of x minus z is equals to minus 1 times of minus 1. So I can write here the factors 1 minus y is equals to minus 1, and the second factor is x minus z is equals to minus 1. And now I can again solve these two factors here, so that first I can find the value of y here, and here you get the value of y is equals to 2. And similarly when you can put the value y is equal to 0 and 1 and 2, and now you can put the value of y is equals to 2 in equation number 1 and 2. So we put y is equals to 2 in equation number 1 and equation number 2. So I can write here this is the equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. So when you can put here y is equals to 2, then you get 2x plus z is equals to 2022, and when you can put here y is equal to 2, you get x plus 2z is equals to 2023. So that you will get the two equations in the form of 2x plus 2x plus z is equals to 2022, and the second equation is x plus 2z is equals to 2023. And now in the next step we will solve these two equations, and you can just get the values of x and z from these two one, so that I can name this as equation number 3 and this as equation number 4. So now first I can multiply equation number 4 by 2. For making the coefficients of x are same, so that we need to multiply this equation by 2, so that you get here multiply this equation by 2 and subtract. After multiplying you can just subtract these two ones, so you get 2x plus 2z is equals to 2023 is equals to 4046. So when you can subtract the equation number 3 and 5, so now you should just subtract equation number 3 and 5, and you get the value of, because here you see that 2x be the same exponents, and you get minus 3z. When you can multiply here, then you get plus 4. So you get minus 3 times of z is equals to minus 2024, and here you get the value of z is equals to 2024 over 3. So that, so here you get the value of z is equals to 674.6. so this is the second value of z. And now we can put the value of z in equation number 3 and you get the value of x. So I can just write here the value of x after putting the value z, you get x is equals to 667. So these are the values of x, y and z, and this is our final answer. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.